All right, we're gonna take a ride here in a really unique car. It's a 1958 AMC Rambler Ambassador. This is the Country Club edition. It's finished in Georgian rose, which to me is pink, with Gotham gray two-tone. Really neat car. I mean, I'll show you this a little later, but those are all signatures from celebrities. You got Burt Ward, you know, Robin from Batman and Robin. You got I Dream of Jeanie. You got Eddie Munster. You got a couple guys from Kiss on here. Beach Boys. Just really neat. So this guy, I guess, used to just drive around to wherever he can get autographs and have people sign his car. So, you know, it doesn't add any value to it, but it sure is a conversation piece. But the Ambassador in general, this car has a 327 AMC motor in it. They're rated at 270 horsepower. It's got a Flash-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission with the push button. It's really cool. This car had reclining seats. I didn't know any cars in 1958 that had reclining seats. So they were kind of ahead of their time. It's got power windows, power steering. It's got a Continental Kit on the back. It's got the wide whites. Pretty loaded with options, you know. Got the dual mirrors as well. The only upgrade, it's got power disc brakes up front, which is really nice to have. You know, drum brakes, they stopped, but when all the cars around you have better brakes, you got to be careful. You got to sit way back. So it stops and steers good. Gauges seem to work and everything like that as well. But we're going to go up here to the corner. We're going to take some more pictures and videos so you get a better look at it. All right, check out this really unique car. It's a 1958 Rambler Ambassador Country Club edition. Probably just the loaded version of it, you know. It's this car's got a lot going for it, and it's you know, way ahead of its time, I think. When you start, I have brochures for it. This car was frame off restored at one point. Got pictures of it all the way down to the bare metal. But it's got a 327 factory V8 in it, AMC 327, rated at 270 horsepower, which was no slouch back then. 4-barrel carburetor. It's got upgraded power disc brakes up front, factory power steering. It's got the wide white wall radials on there, so they ride real nice. They're not the bias ply. Georgian rose over Gotham gray. That's the factory colors for this car. Pretty unique. All the original wheel covers are in great shape. All the emblems. The chrome is in good shape. Stainless is real nice. It's got some old California plates on there. Really unique. I'll show you the inside. Interior matches the outside. Really cool. That carpet is psychedelic. Check that out, man. It's got sparkles in it. See it in the sun? Super cool. Goes along with a pink car, right? And of course, like I mentioned earlier, all those signatures from those celebrities. Leave It to Beaver, Boy Wonder, Wally, Robin from Batman and Robin, Greg Brady. Pretty cool. Eddie Munster. Pretty neat stuff. Anyway, the interior is real nice shape. I mean, everything's pretty much brand new in here. Headliner's in excellent condition. Power windows at work. Even got the Continental Kit on there. It's got dual exhaust, you know, power steering, and again, that automatic transmission with the push button. Pretty cool. Great looking car. Attention getter. You'll be the only one at the car show with this one. Here's the 327 power plant in the Ambassador. Really clean, all rebuilt, restored. All the little badges in here. I mean, they painted, they had everything apart in this car to restore it. And it shows. A beautiful job. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Nice and quiet and smooth. Runs on regular gas. Still got the generator in there. Dual exhaust sounds good, not loud, but just a nice little rumble to it. A unique nicely restored car. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person and take it for a spin. Or if you just like it and you want it shipped, we can do that too. All right, thanks for watching.